Cheesy Diamonds OPM. We are here with Brent, or his YouTube name, I forget now, Ace the Echo. There's his back.
Ciao, boys.
I don't know what that means.
I'm not sponsored by Ant1.
I don't know why I laugh like that, but today we're gonna do more random things. This is like, I don't know, should we make this a series or something? Like episode 2 of random crap. Random stuff.
Random
We
crap
might
stuff.
do another magic trick.
No.
We might.
We might. You guys are gonna do it though.
I guess so.
No, I'll do it.
Yeah. But so right now we're gonna go into the woods at the Widmar.
Bike rail.
The what rail?
I've turned into a bike rail. Look at me.
If that was going like full speed, that would have hurt.
Yeah.
But
23 miles an hour.
yeah, we will see you guys once we're in the woods. We're in the nature. No, nature.
You ever down this way?
I love nature. Okay. That's pretty neat.
No.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do here. We just decided to come here. Okay, what? I don't know about you guys, but I think this is the thickest roots I've ever seen, maybe.
Comment in the comment section below if you've seen bigger.
And
I've seen bigger.
I think I have seen bigger at my aunt, my grandmother's, because since she lives in the woods, a lot of the trees have the roots and the dirt attached to it upside down.
I've seen that one.
Yeah,
Where, like, a freaking
it's pretty
tree,
drastic.
Like, flipped.
It's pretty Jurassic Park. Jokes
Yeah,
for me.
yeah, look, yeah, man. I'm surprised if we're gonna see a freaking dinosaur.
Yeah, I doubt it. Okay, selfie walking, trying to find my way on trail. Probably fall into thorns. Are you going down there to the Pokemon Center? This is where we catch Pokemon, guys. We'll catch some Pokemon.
This is a beer party.
Yeah, that's true. There's liquor.
Don't jump the tree.
Yeah, I won't jump the tree. It has cuss words on it. Can't do that. PG, bro. PG. Don't see the tree. Block out the tree.
No treeage.
It says a lot of things. Mountain Dew.
Yeah, right there. There's a freaking 2-liter.
Oh, 2-liter Mountain Dew. I want some. It looks new.
Yeah,
I think they had a party last night.
what was that?
What?
I don't know.
Me stepping on a stick?
No, I heard like a sticking noise. I'm not getting eaten by freaking raccoons.
Raccoons! We should do it. We should be energetic today. We are bad at commentaries. Other like Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, Sky Does Gaming, and all that. It's good.
Sky does gaming.
Yeah,
I thought Sky does Minecraft.
he has 3 channels. 4. Office Antics, Sky Does Things, Sky Does Gaming. Sky Does Gaming has cuss words, but now Sky Does Minecraft is cussing now for his videos, which he used to be PG. Well, at the start of his videos, he used to be just PG. Who is that? Engraving?
Sarah and Charles.
They must be drunk dating. I do not condone drinking. Drunking.
Hey man, you didn't even have to edit.
What?
Like,
I don't know, there's a bunch of spider webs on me. Ah! Brent, come back! Bigfoot! Must be weird in the video. The FPS on this thing. Oh god, darkness. Apparently we have darkness once we go into the trees. I never knew that.
There's so much light here. Like, it's so freaking bright.
But somehow the camera's making me look dark.
Like today, the sun was freaking really bright, but there's clouds out.
Yeah, I went.
The sky is just completely white.
I went to Buffalo Wild Wings, and then all of a sudden it started raining. As soon as I get home, it stops raining.
Yeah,
It wants me to stay home or something.
This crap was all so.
Mother Nature!
When I woke up, it was like dry.
I like to not yell in public sometimes, but I like to dance in public. Is that weird?
Probably. I'm eating freaking 8 up my. Ow! I almost broke my ankle.
Maybe next time we go, maybe in 7th grade when we go to Hershey Park, I should probably video the entire thing.
Why?
That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
No, just film like stupid bloopers of it.
My trip to Hershey Park.
Go onto the freaking wave with your tablet.
Oh my God, it's not waterproof.
Dude, that ride, the wave, you should go do it. Holy crap.
I couldn't. It was like packed.
You went in there with us.
I tried, but we didn't have enough time.
Yeah, we should get there.
Yeah, there's an old guy looking at me. Oh, okay. He's nice. I was almost scared for a second there. Look at the view. Is this the camera see the view?
I think so.
I don't know. I don't think he wants us to walk across.
He said just go.
Oh God, the lighting.
Yeah, he said go ahead. He said go ahead.
I heard him only say that. Oh, there we go. There's
That is
lighting.
amazing right there. This is just like a freaking field.
West Virginia, all the hills, and all of a sudden you found this plains biome.
Yeah, it's just freaking flat.
I don't know why I'm saying biome. Biome.
This is probably like the
This isn't Minecraft.
For some reason that guy called me a girl.
Maybe he's nicer to girls than boys. I mean, a lot of people are.
We were just looking at the view.
But he's like a 50-year-old man though.
Dude, he was really nice.
Yeah, he was nice. He's nicer than I thought.
I thought people over there were freaking mean.
I thought people over there were rich.
Yeah, they are. But
You know what I mean? Okay, I guess he's not rich because he's really nice.
this feels like a freaking mile.
No offense to rich people out there.
Yeah, man. Some rich people are nice. Some rich people are freaking mean.
Honestly, like to the east of my house,
I thought
up the hill is all the rich people.
I thought these people down there were like stubborn and crap with their money, but that guy was actually really nice.
Yeah. Don't judge books by their covers, people.
It's good to see good rich people. That's
Yeah.
really nice.
This community needs more Pokemon. Pokemon! Go! We're soon gonna end this video. Budge. Like the recording cut off because storage space on stupid 8 GB Fire HD TV, not TV, a tablet.
You should undownload all your games.
I probably should because that'll play games on the tablet. I only watch videos and make videos.
Yeah. That's what you should do. Do all your videos, all your apps.
Uninstall them.
Yeah, and then just... So guys, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Yell. We need enthusiastic feet yelling. Yeah!
Bro.
We don't yell in our videos. We gotta start doing that. Entertainment!
I don't.
Entertainment!
I don't.
Jewel Dan, sorry.
Hey, sub to me, and I'm not being self-crappy. I don't know what the word is. But sub
Self-confident. I don't know.
Prepárate!
If you like him. He just posted you.
Let me see you jump! Prepárate! Get ready! Get! Niña! Ahí vaya! Todo el mundo! Let me see you jump!
I'm stupid with words.